What is up, guys? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews, back with another quick video. This is going to be on the OnePlus 6. This is an awesome phone right here, and there's a pretty good deal going on it. They're calling it the OnePlus 6 Full Survivor Kit. It does come with some free accessories. So the one device that you're looking at here is going to be the OnePlus 6 Mirror Black, 6 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. You're going to be getting a OnePlus fast charge power adapter free. You get an extra one. Then you're going to get an extra OnePlus fast charge type C cable, which is real nice. These cables are actually very nice. They're good material, good quality. And then you're going to get OnePlus Bullets earphones version 2, all that for $529. If you guys are hip to the OnePlus phones, they do come with cases, so they provide their own soft TPU clear case. It comes with the phone, and also there's a pre-installed screen protector. So this package right here has it all. You got the headphones, you got the extra charge cable, you got a case, you got the screen protector. You basically, they hook you up with everything. So I just thought I'd share this on my YouTube channel. $529. I think it's a great deal. It's a device that comes with everything you need. It's going to be free shipping. Also, zero taxes. If you buy this phone, it's going to be shipped to your door for $529. I think this is unbeatable right now. Snapdragon 845 on deck. Optic AMOLED screen. Quality is awesome. The phone is gorgeous. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I ordered mine. This is going to be like number 4. I'm a huge fan of OnePlus. I know we got the 3T coming to T-Mobile, so hopefully I'll be getting the 3T also. I'm just a huge fan of OnePlus in general. I think they make some quality devices at some really awesome prices, and that kind of rhymes. And with that being said, I'm out. Catch you guys on another one. Peace.